Hi everyone, thank you for joining today's webinar. So in this session, we'll see how Shopify integration drives your e-commerce business growth. And I'm Sameena, your presenter for today's session. So I'll be showing you how integrating Shopify transforms your support desk into a powerful sales and service engine. So before we get started, let's have a glimpse of what's coming up in today's session. So we'll start with the challenges of disconnected system, that is without integrating Shopify. And then I'll introduce the Shopify BoldDesk integration. And then we'll spend most of our time in a hands-on demo part. And finally, we'll wrap up with a live Q&A session where your questions will be answered by our experts. So let's start with the pain points. When Shopify isn't integrated with your help desk, agents often struggle with context switching, that is moving between your help desk platform and Shopify constantly. So this will lose the focus and it will slow down the process. And next is delayed response. Since data has to be pulled manually, there will be a delay in the process. And next we have no real-time data, that is agents can't personalize responses easily. So without any live order or written data, agents give generic help which cannot be the smart or personal support that customers expect today. So next is customer frustration. That is, customers are basically forced to repeat information and they are asked to wait for a longer time. So this will eventually make them feel annoyed and many will drop the purchase or shop elsewhere. So these are the challenges faced without integrating Shopify into your system. So based on our research, we found that around 20% of agents' time is wasted by switching between tabs, and 15% of tickets are dropped due to delayed responses, and more than 50% of support teams say their resolution times double when customer data is scattered across multiple tools instead of being centralized. So these are the challenges faced by both the customers and the support agent. So now let's look at how Shopify BoldDesk integration solves all those issues. So this integration helps to pull all those Shopify store data directly into the BoldDesk screenplay. That is, all those information, customer information, order information, everything will be pulled into BoldDesk and the support agent can view those information straight into their help desk platform. So there are some of the integration features. First is instant order view in BoldDesk. As I said earlier, support agent can see the customer's order, whether it is past or current order. They can see it right inside each ticket without switching to Shopify. And then we have auto fetch customer information. That is, when a ticket arrives, the integration automatically retrieves the customer's Shopify data, so agents can get full context instantly. And finally, we have full order management. That is, agents can refund or cancel orders straight from BoldDesk. No need to toggle back to Shopify. So basically, everything your support team needs, whether it is orders or data of the customer or any action, everything is accessible in one place. So I hope this is a great solution for all those issues we saw earlier. And now let's see the benefits in 3 different categories. First is support benefits. That is, by integrating Shopify into your system, it reduces handling time and it gives context rich replies and there will be a seamless workflow. And next is sales benefits, that is agents can upsell or follow up based on the previous orders, and they give a data driven insights into preference and buying pattern. So finally we have customer benefits, that is there'll be no more repeated questions and customer will get a personalized and fast resolution for their issues. So this transforms your help desk into a both revenue enabler and a customer satisfaction driver. So I hope you understood how this Shopify BoldDesk integration helps your support agent to have a seamless workflow, and your customer will have a high satisfaction of your service. So now let's walk through the process of integrating your Shopify store with BoldDesk. So let's have a live demonstration of this installation process. So let's begin by setting up a custom app in Shopify to facilitate the integration. So for that you have to log into Shopify admin. So this is your Shopify platform. So on the left bottom of your screen you can find settings, click onto it. And here in your settings module, click apps and sales channels. Now click develop apps, and in order to create a new app, click create an app, and here you have to give a name to it. And once you're done with this, you can also give an email address. So after that process, click create app. Now your app is created. Let's start the configuration part. So here in the overview page, click configure admin API scopes. So here you have to select the necessary API admins. I'm going to select this. So once you're done with this, click save. Now your configuration part is done successfully. You can go to app settings, and again you can change your app names, you can give a description and even an email address. So you can do all those changes here. And now in API credentials, you have to install the app. So click install app, and once again you have to confirm it. So click again. And now it will generate a access token to you. So you can copy the access token, and this configuration part is now done. So now let's install and configure the Shopify app within BoldDesk. So for that I'm going to log into BoldDesk as an agent. So this is the agent portal. Here on the left hand menu you can find admin. So when you scroll down to the admin center, you can find marketplace. So here you have Shopify. So click it, and now click install. A configuration page will pop up. So here you have to enter the store name, and you have to give the store URL, that is your subdomain. And then you have to paste the access code here. So once you're done with this, click verify and continue. Now you have to give permission to this app visibility. So here you have to enable these options, and then you have to select the target modules. So I have selected all three. So now click save. So BoldDesk is now successfully connected to your Shopify stores. So now let's see how to manage the Shopify stores. BoldDesk allows you to connect multiple Shopify stores into your help desk platform. So for that you have to click add store and follow the same configuration steps which we did earlier. So we have already added another store into the list. So now let's see how Shopify data appears within the ticket in BoldDesk. So for that you have to click tickets in the left hand menu. So now open a ticket in the tickets module. So I'm going to open this ticket, and here you can see a customer has asked for order status. So in the right hand side you can see the details of the customer and to whom this ticket has assigned. So next to details you have apps. So when you click on to apps you can find Shopify. So here you have to select the particular store to which this customer has ordered his product. So as I said, BoldDesk supports multiple Shopify store in the system. So here you have to select the particular store. So now you can see the customer's detail, that is the customer ID, name, email address, since when he or she has become the customer of your product, and the number of orders and the total amount they have paid to you. So below to this details you can find recent orders. So this shows the previous orders or the current orders of the customer. So you can click the arrow mark to see the details of the order, when it has been purchased and what is the order status, payment status, etc. So here you can see the entire payment status of the product, and you can click on to this order number so that it will automatically switch to the Shopify tab. So no need to log into Shopify again. You can simply click on to the order number and it will automatically switch to the Shopify page. So here you can see the entire view of the product. And now let's see how to cancel or refund the orders directly from BoldDesk. So first let's see how to cancel the order. So now select the relevant order, and below to the details you can find option called cancel order. So click this option, and now you can see the details of the product, and here you can choose a cancellation reason and simply click on to cancel order. Now the order is being cancelled, so you can see it here. Or if you want to view it in the Shopify page, you can click on to the order number and you can view it from the Shopify platform. So here you can see that the order has been cancelled. So this is how you do this cancellation work right from the from the BoldDesk itself. Now let's see how to refund the amount. So for that, let's again click on to an order and click refund order. So here you have to enter the number of product, and then it will show you the cost and the tax amount, etc. If you want, you can add a reason for refund. So it is an optional thing. Once you're done with this, click refund. Now the order is successfully refunded. Again you can click on to the order number and just check it from the Shopify platform. So now the order is refunded. So this enables fast and a seamless workflow for your management. So I hope you understood Shopify well. So thank you for joining us today. We hope you now see how the Shopify BoldDesk integration bridges the gap between the support and sales by giving your team instant access to all those customer insights, order histories and essential works. So everything happens in one place, which makes the workflow smooth, and it also enhances the agent's efficiency. It improves the customer satisfaction and supports your e-commerce growth without increasing operational burdens. So I hope this integration helps you in many way, and I hope today's demo helped you understand the potential of this integration and how it is easy to get started. So thank you once again for being a part of today's session. So let's wrap up our presentation and demo. Feel free to ask questions. We are here to answer to your questions, and stay tuned for our upcoming webinars where we'll talk about many more key features of BoldDesk. As you know, BoldDesk has n number of features which helps your day-to-day workflows. So stay tuned for our upcoming webinars. Thank you.